Snow boot. I wear snow boots in winter. Flip-flop. Flip-flops are very light. Driving moccasin. He bought new driving moccasins. Monk strap. This monk strap has a buckle. Jelly shoe. Jelly shoes are made of plastic. Oxford shoe. Oxford shoes are formal shoes. Sling-back heel. She wears sling-back heels to parties. Ballet flat. Ballet flats are very comfortable. Climbing shoe. Climbing shoes are tight. Winkle picker. The winkle picker has a sharp toe. Huarache. Huaraches are handmade sandals. Boat shoe. Boat shoes are good for the sea. Cowboy boot. Cowboy boots have a high heel. Kitten heel. A kitten heel is short and thin. Tap shoe. Tap shoes make a sound when you dance. Chukka boot. Chukka boots end at the ankle. Gladiator sandal. Gladiator sandals have many straps. Wedge sandal. Wedge sandals are easy to walk in. Block heel pump. I like block heel pumps. Aqua sock. Aqua socks protect your feet in water. Tassel loafer. Tassel loafers look stylish. Soccer cleat. Soccer cleats have studs on the bottom. Brothel creeper. Creepers have a thick sole. Espadrille. Espadrilles are made of canvas and rope. Rain boot. I wear rain boots when it rains. Mary Jane. Mary Jane shoes have a strap across the top. Track spike. Track spikes are for running on a track. Thigh-high boot. Thigh-high boots cover the knee. Smoking slipper. Smoking slippers are made of velvet. House shoe. I wear house shoes inside. Skate shoe. Skate shoes have a flat sole. Moccasin. Moccasins are soft leather shoes. Ankle boot. She wears black ankle boots. Peep-toe pump. Peep-toe pumps show the toes. Saddle shoe. Saddle shoes have a white body and a dark saddle. Golf shoe. Golf shoes give you grip on the grass. Boxing boot. Boxing boots are light and high. Crocs. Crocs are made of foam. Combat boot. Combat boots are very strong. Jodhpur boot. Jodhpur boots have a strap around the ankle. Mule. Mules have no back. Penny loafer. Penny loafers have a slot on the front. Dance sneaker. Dance sneakers help you turn easily. Basketball shoe. Basketball shoes support the ankle. Wrestling shoe. Wrestling shoes are thin and flexible. Over-the-knee boot. Over-the-knee boots go above the knee. Stiletto heel. A stiletto heel is very thin and high. Slide sandal. Slide sandals are easy to put on. Hiking boot. Hiking boots protect your feet in mountains. Point shoe. Point shoes let a dancer stand on the toes. Cycling shoe. Cycling shoes clip onto the pedal. Running shoe. Running shoes cushion your feet. Slip-on sneaker. Slip-on sneakers have no laces. Clog. Clogs are made of wood. Desert boot. Desert boots were first made for soldiers. T-strap sandal. T-strap sandals form a T shape on the foot. Derby shoe. Derby shoes have open lacing. Wellington boot. Wellington boots are tall rubber boots. Ankle strap sandal. Ankle strap sandals have a strap around the ankle. Fisherman sandal. Fisherman sandals have a closed toe but open sides. Chelsea boot. Chelsea boots have elastic on the side. Spectator shoe. Spectator shoes are two-toned. Platform sneaker. Platform sneakers make you look taller. Work boot. Work boots have a steel toe. Loafer. Loafers are slip-on shoes. Water shoe. Water shoes dry quickly. Bowling shoe. Bowling shoes have smooth soles. High-top sneaker. High-top sneakers cover the ankle. Plimsoll. Plimsolls are simple canvas shoes. Slipper. I like to wear slippers at home. Riding boot. Riding boots are tall and have a small heel. Cuban heel shoe. Cuban heel shoes have a short, straight heel. Ugg boot. Ugg boots are made of sheepskin. Football cleat. Football cleats are used on grass. Thank you for watching.